There was a big bright spot in today's sea of red. The IBB biotech ETF soaring to the highest level since August 2015. That push higher coming despite its biggest holding, Gilead, getting hit with 2 downgrades today. So, Guy, what do you make of the move? And I thought what was interesting was that BMO, in their downgrade, specifically mentioned the comparison to Roche's Tamiflu during the H1N1 pandemic, saying that in the first year, it was amazing, $3 billion in revenues. And then after that, it averaged $650 million in revenues in the years later.
Yeah, and we had, I think one of the analysts for Gilead was on last week, not on our show, but on the network, talking about how the stock has probably gotten a little ahead of itself in terms of, where it traded up to on the back of those announcements. I'll say this, though, in general, we've been pretty bullish since you've been gone on biotech, and I continue to be. I mean, big cap pharma has been a monster. I think Eli Lilly continues to make not a new 52-week high, but all-time highs. Biogen's had a nice run. Looks like Sarepta's getting back on the horse. Amgen's been a monster. So I think you stay with biotech here. I mean, listen, if you've had a decent run in Gilead, I think you probably stay with it into earnings, although I don't think it's necessarily an earnings story. But biotech in general, I think, is still an area you want to be in, Melms.
Karen, you in IBB?
I am not, but that would be the way that I want to play it. I mean, obviously the holy grail is out there for these companies. And whichever, more than one, I suppose many more than one could sort of cash in on it is the wrong word, because I don't think we're going to be cashing in on anything, but that would be the way to play it.